Hey there, science enthusiasts! Ever wondered why we don't feel like we're drowning when we breathe in humid air? Let's unravel this fascinating mystery. First things first, what exactly is humidity? Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air. When the air is more humid, it means there's a higher concentration of water molecules floating around. But these water molecules are in a gaseous state, not liquid. So, while it might feel heavier, it's not the same as breathing underwater. Now let's talk about our lungs. Our lungs are incredible organs designed to handle a wide range of air conditions. Inside our lungs we have millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are where the magic happens. They allow for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the air we breathe and our blood. And guess what? They're perfectly capable of handling humid air. But how do our lungs manage this? It all comes down to the process of diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. When we inhale humid air, the water vapor diffuses into the alveoli and then into our blood. It's a smooth and efficient process that happens without us even noticing. Another key player in this process is the mucous membrane lining our respiratory tract. This lining helps to humidify the air we breathe in, ensuring that it's at the right level of moisture by the time it reaches our lungs. So, even if the air outside is dry, our body can adjust and maintain the perfect balance of humidity for optimal lung function. But why does humid air sometimes feel harder to breathe? That's because humid air is denser than dry air, making each breath feel heavier. Plus, our body's cooling mechanism relies on the evaporation of sweat. When the air is already filled with moisture, it slows this process down, causing us to feel more uncomfortable and exerted. Here's an interesting fact. People with respiratory conditions like asthma often find it more challenging to breathe in humid conditions. That's because the increased moisture can cause the airways to constrict, making it harder for them to breathe. So, if you or someone you know has asthma, it's important to be mindful of humidity levels. To sum it all up, humid air doesn't drown us, because our lungs are designed to handle a variety of air conditions. The water vapor in humid air is in a gaseous state, and our body efficiently manages this through diffusion and the mucous membrane. While it might feel heavier, our lungs are more than capable of dealing with it. So, the next time you find yourself in a humid environment, remember this fascinating science at work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, stay curious.